So today I want to teach you how to get free to use images for your books. I mean AI images. You see, I hear a lot of people say Amazon does not accept AI images. Amazon does not allow AI images. That's a big fat lie. I'm going to be debunking every lie people tell about Amazon KDP. I do a lot of research. I do a lot of trial and errors before I come up with all these facts. In fact, I have a lot of books that I used AI images and they are performing absolutely well. Just understand what to do and how to use AI generated images. What Amazon does not want are images that does not depict what you're saying. For example, you say Greek yogurt parfait and you put the picture of jollof rice and salad. Such a book is going to get into trouble with Amazon. But when you say Greek yogurt parfait and the picture actually depicts Greek yogurt parfait, it does not matter where you get the pictures from. Just use the right pictures or images to portray what you are saying in your book. But the type of images you are going to be getting or generating cannot be used for all types of books. It cannot be used for realistic type of books like travel guide. If, for example, you're writing a Lagos travel guide and you want to put a place like National Theatre, this AI cannot generate the picture of National Theatre for you. It can only give an idea of what National Theatre looks like. But if you are writing books like cookbooks, relationship books, gardening books, this AI can imagine any type of image you want that can be used for your book that does not have to be a realistic image. It does not have to be exactly what is happening. It does not have to be exactly how the location or the object looks. It just needs to give an idea of what it looks like. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate the images and how to verify them before putting them inside your book, so that you don't get into trouble with Amazon. The name of the AI is Microsoft Bing Image Creator. Just go to Google and type Microsoft Bing Image Creator. Then you click it. The first one here, you see, you click on the first one that appears. And this is the interface. As you can see, it has my name here, Mustafa. But in your case, you will need to create an account. So just click this place and then create an account with your Gmail or any other mail that you have. It's very straightforward. Once you create the account, they'll tell you to verify in your Gmail, and then you just verify. Then it will bring you back to this place. Now, let me show you something to explain what I just said about realistic images. Let's just type something like National Theatre in Lagos. Let's see what it will give us. As you can see, it just gave me something that looks like National Theatre or a park, like an amusement park or a tourist attraction center where people can just go and have fun. It didn't give me the exact picture of National Theatre. Okay, I hope you understand. But let's say you're writing a gardening book now and you need the picture of a tomato farm. Let's try that. A large tomato farm. Let's search. As you can see, it has given us pictures of a large tomato farm, something that we can use in our book. Just imagine this image. If you're writing a gardening book or you're writing a book about tomato farming, you can use this image somewhere inside your book just to show the reader that this is how a tomato farm looks, and these are tomatoes with a lady holding them in her hands. These are the type of pictures that this AI can give you. So with this, we can always get any type of recipe we want, as long as it is a recipe that exists. You can always get it. You can also use this to generate images for a relationship book. Let's try something. So now I said a beautiful lady sitting in the car with her handsome lover in a love scene. Let's generate and see what that will give us. As you can see, this is the picture of a beautiful lady with her handsome lover inside a car. If you're writing a book, a relationship book that has to do with love, romance, or anything related, you can actually get this image and then use it inside the book. As you can see, these are the type of images that this AI can deliver. And this is why it cannot work for a travel guide. But if you've been following me or you are my student, in my comprehensive travel guide videos on the mentorship group, I've shown you how to get images for any location that you want, and these are real images of the location. So you are never going to fall into problems with Amazon when you are writing travel guides and are using the method I explained to get your images. But before you start generating images for your books, I need to show you something. I want to show you how a black and white and a colored image looks inside your book, so that you know what you are getting into and why buyers might buy or not buy your book. These days, I found out that after a lot of research and experiment, I found out that colored interiors sell. Even though they are expensive, people place their satisfaction higher than the price these days. So when the interior looks colored, especially if the book has to be followed with a step-by-step guide, like a recipe book, for example, if it has colored images, it tends to sell more, even if the price is like $3 to $5 higher than the one that is black and white. For the purpose of this video, this is an example of a black and white image. This is another one. This is how your book will look if it is printed in black and white. This is it. You can see this one clearly. This is how your image in your book will look when your book is printed in black and white. Some buyers don't like it. I've seen somebody that left a review on one of my books and said there is no need to put an image if it is going to be printed in black and white. This kind of person would have paid more if it was colored. He liked the book, but he just doesn't like the fact that it is black and white. Everything in the book is intact, it's fine. Look at this one now. If you print your book or you upload your book in colored, this is what it will look like. If you put the pictures, this is exactly how your book will look. Very attractive and fine. But this does not mean that it is compulsory to leave your books in colored. If you feel like your pricing range does not have to go that high, you can leave it as black and white. The customers who will buy it will still buy it. And as a matter of fact, when creating your book, you should always use all the colors on your word processing app, maybe Google Docs or Microsoft Word or even Canva. You don't have to create the books in black and white, because when they are checking the look inside, they tend to see it as colored, the exact color you used in creating it. They will see it like that, which attracts them to want to buy the book more. I hope that is clear. This is another color. As you can see, it looks very fine and attractive. But that does not mean that black and white interiors don't sell. This is colored and it's very, very fine. Just look at this one. Colored interiors are very attractive and buyers like them so much, even though the price has to go a little bit higher than the black and white versions. So these are the basic differences between colored interiors and black and white. Once you upload your books in colored, the price is going to go higher. But me, I have colored books and the price is not unrealistic. I still put a price that will make me have the same or near royalties like my black and white. Some people, when they create their colored interior books, they will put the price at $18 to $20. No, I don't do that. I will still leave it within the range of $14 to $15, so that at the end of the day, I'm still getting like $4. That's just me. I'm not saying you should do yours like that. That is just how I do mine. If I have a colored interior book, I don't tend to put the price too high. I just put it at an affordable price so that it will still attract sales. However, if your book interior is colored, you need to indicate it on the book cover and in your description, and also in your A+ content, so that the potential buyer would know that this is a colored interior. So if they see the difference in price, they will understand that this is colored interior. That's why the price is a little bit higher than the ones that are black and white. Look at the way this person did his or her own. Full color. As you can see, let me zoom that. As you can see, full color. You see it? Let's check another book. You see this one too. They will write full color edition on it. Let's check the price. Wow, this is even $9. This person no like money at all. I don't know how many pages this book is, but $9 is really too small for a colored paperback. As you can see, this one, it's $17. You see, $17.99. That's even $18. So when your book is written in colored, the price tends to be a little bit higher. Look at this one, $12. So a buyer will see this Renal Diet Air Fryer cookbook, and will also see this Renal Diet cookbook for beginners. I will be contemplating which one to buy. But when they see that this one is colored, they will now understand why it is $17. I hope that is clear. So let's get straight into Microsoft Word. Then I'll show you how to get images and how to use them inside your book. This is Microsoft Word. Using this same book, as a case study. Let's copy this recipe, grilled chicken and avocado salad. Copy that. You know, the last time in the previous video, I explained how to verify these recipes. If you've not seen the video, let me show you. This is the video where I said cookbook dollar secrets. I exposed a lot of secrets on how to write profitable and quality cookbooks inside this video, so you can take your time to watch it. I'll also leave the link in the description down below. But if we copy this name now, grilled chicken and avocado salad, then we go to our AI and we paste the name here, grilled chicken and avocado salad. As you can see, we have 4 plates or 4 images of grilled chicken with avocado salad. The next thing we want to do now is to verify that these images are actually correct. They are actually the images of grilled chicken and avocado salad. Let's head straight to Google and then type grilled chicken and avocado salad. Then we search. Then we click on images. Are there similarities? Yes, obviously. The images generated with the AI are similar to the ones on Google with reviews, the way I explained in our previous videos. So you see, this is avocado salad, this is the grilled chicken, this is avocado salad, grilled chicken with tomatoes, avocado salad, grilled chicken. This one, let me even open it for us to see clearly. You see this one? It looks so much like the images here. So you can just click any one that you like and then click download. Let's download that. Now let's go and get another recipe. The second one here is whole wheat pizza stuffed with roasted turkey and vegetables. Copy that, paste it here and hit enter. Here you go. Let's go and search Google if we are going to see something similar to this. Paste it on Google and hit the search. Okay, as you can see, they are actually similar. Let's open this one and see, or this one. Okay, I think this is better. As you can see, it is wrapped with, what is this called? I don't know, but look at this one. It is similar to this one. So you see that it is correct. Let's download that. Let's pick one more. Quinoa and black bean wrap. Let's go back to our AI image generator, paste it here and create. Here you go. Let's check Google again. As you can see, there's a lot of similarities. You can pick any of the 4 that it generates for you, anyone that appeals to you that you like, then you download it. Let's download this one. Now we have 3 images, realistic images, clear HD images gotten from this image creator. Now let's go and apply them to our book. For the first one, I'm going to delete this one that is here before. Then I will go to insert, pictures, this device, head over to downloads, and then you have the 3 images here. I think it's the first one. Let's click this first one. Yes, this is correct. So as you can see, this is the image and it has automatically replaced the other one. So for the second image, let's delete this one. Go to insert, this device, correct. We do the same for the third image. Delete this, insert, pictures, this device, and this is how you are going to be adding all these images to your book without any issue. Okay, in my next video, I'm going to teach you how to write fiction books of up to 10,000 words, all with AI, and how to make a lot of money from fiction books. But let's try something again. This is a short fiction story I generated with ChatGPT. Jane and Chris met in the most unexpected way. She was rushing down the crowded city street, a coffee in one hand, balancing her phone with the other, when she collided head on with him. That is with Chris. Now we can copy this particular statement generated by AI. You know, this is not something that happened. This is a book that you are writing so that the reader can imagine what is going on. You can actually put this particular scene inside your fiction book. I'm already giving too much, but let me just give you this one. So you copy that particular scene and then you go straight to your image generator, then you paste it here. Once you paste it, you click on enter. Let's see what it will generate for us. If it will generate that particular scene of Jane and Chris and how they met for us. As you can see, this can be perfectly used for a fiction book. You see, this is what this prompt is talking about, and it was gotten directly from the book. As you can see, if you read it, Jane and Chris met in the most unexpected way. She was rushing down the crowded city street. Look at this street is crowded and she was rushing. You see how she's rushing? Let's check another picture. You see again, the street is crowded and Jane is rushing while Chris is behind her. Let's check another one. As you can see, the same thing, just in different scenes. You can just pick any one. Let me take the first one. I think I like this one. You just download it Then we go to our processor, word processor. Then this part where it's talking about Jane and Chris, you can either put it before the write-up or after the write-up. So let's go to insert pictures. This is it. As you can see, our fiction book is already coming to life. I'm going to do a comprehensive video on how to write fiction books. Nobody have ever done it. You're going to learn it first from Legal Naira. So this is a very perfect way to get images for your book, and I tell you what, you're never going to fall into any issue with Amazon. If you're new here, welcome, and please like this video. All I do every day is to put a smile on your face and money in your bank account by teaching you different legitimate ways to make money online and offline. If this is something you're interested in, like this video, hit the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon so that the next time I post awesome videos like this, YouTube is going to notify you instantly and you'll be part of the first set of people to implement the strategy. As from now, I'm going to be dropping videos back to back that is really going to help you blow on this Amazon. You see this Amazon money, we must chop up. Like the video and share it with your friends, family, loved ones, and everybody that you want to succeed from now 2025 and beyond. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.